There are 2 steps to remove the lens. There are 3 steps to install the lens. But first we will check how tough the material is so you know how careful you need to be. Hi, I'm Ken from Banana Sport Optics. There are different Sutro models out there, so this video will only work for Sutro and Sutro S, the smaller one of this one. How do you know if you have a Sutro S? If you have a frame here at the bottom. If you have a Sutro Light or a Sutro Light Sweep, then you need our other video. We have a link to that video in the description. How careful do you need to be when you're swapping lenses? Can I break something? The frame is Oakley's O-Matter. It's incredibly stress resistant and flexible. Just check it out. What about the lens? The lens is from Plutonite, so that's from a polycarbonate base and is also incredibly flexible, right? Just springs back. So there is a need to be careful, but don't stress about it too much. All right, let's get into the swap itself. Removing the lens is a simple 2-step process. So step 1, hold it upside down, take your index finger and place it about right here by the nose, but just on the inside. And then take your thumb and use it as leverage. And then you just push out with your index finger. You see that? So that's step 1. Step 2, same on the other side. So we did it on this side, now we're gonna do it on this side. Place your index finger, thumb placement, and just turn. And just like that, the lens is out. That was pretty easy, right? I quickly wanted to mention our web shop. There we sell sports eyewear with prescription. So everything comes with prescription if you want. We ship worldwide. We have a really cool collection. We have shield glasses with prescription inserts, or we have like the more conventional 2 lens designs with really cool mirror finishes for the really bright days. Or on the opposite, for low light days, we have low light lenses, which enhance the contrast on those days. Best of all, we offer a 30-day refund. So if you don't like it, just send it back so you don't have to take any risk. If you want to check it out, check out the link in the description. All right, let's get back to installing the lens into the frame. Installing the lens is a 3-step process. Start by holding the frame upside down. Then slide the lens into the groove on the top part right here. Then step 2, place your thumb at the center here and press down. So it pops in here and here on both sides, just in the center. Step 3, keep your thumb on the center that we just clipped in. And now we need to clip in 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the bottom edge, outside, inside, outside, inside. So just push it in with your finger once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you have it, a simple 2-step removal and 3-step installation. If you know any better way to do it, please leave a comment below. If you have any questions, like lens tint, frame fit, which frame should you get, we're here for you. Ask any way you can here in the chat. Go on our web shop. There we also have a ton of ways to contact us. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.